This is Abbio's 1-minute tutorial on how to braise. Today, we'll be making pork chili verde. Start by cubing 2 pounds of pork shoulder, 1 white onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. Add the pork shoulder to a sauté pan with 3 tablespoons of oil. Do not crowd the pan as you don't want the meat to steam. Once you've browned all the pork, you'll want to set it in a clean dish on the side and add the garlic and onions to the same pan. Once the garlic and onions have browned, about 2 minutes, add the pork back to the sauté pan and add 2 cups of your favorite salsa verde. You can also use chicken broth, beef stock, or any other salsa that you'd like as braising liquid. Now cover your sauté pan, turn the heat down to low, and after about 3 hours, you'll have perfectly cooked pork chili verde. A great filling for both tacos and enchiladas. Enjoy!